basically the same. I guess it's just a different. I'm gonna line it up nice on there. Make sure it's stuck down good. And again, just cut around. This tip is not the sharpest right now. Yeah, this tip, I can pop this tip off really quick here. When you do this, you just want it to be really close, and that's what this little thing is for. And now I have a nice sharp point again. And let's see, I messed that up, so I'm just gonna, I can use that same piece of tape and start over here. I'm gonna get all this extra junk off, and now it's gonna wrap the back again. It's pretty much the same, but then when you're doing this, you want to make sure back here comes the other side. So this is just important to line this up so that we don't want it to be on the white that we're going to paint. And just do the same thing. Fold it over and just make sure it's nice and snug. And that is it. How to tape the hinges.